Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm gonna give you an overview of this youth golf club bag and some cool features about it. So the first thing is, right now, as it's sitting, it's gonna be about 2 feet off the ground. Full length here is about 29 inches or so. And the first call out, which is kind of cool, nice convenient thing for the old use, is when you have your clubs in here and you're walking and then you're coming to your hole, you set it down and then it's just going to stand up. It's spring activated, locks it in place, and there's a mechanism down here. I guess I don't know exactly how it works, but it works pretty easily where it sits down and you can just set it down pretty easily. Very, very, very cool. Also, from a weight standpoint, very light weight. So it's not something that's going to put a lot of undue stress on the young one that might be trying to carry this. It does come with over-the-shoulder straps. So if it was going to be carried like this, even a non-youth, from an example standpoint, this goes all the way around like this. It is padded here. Also has an optional clip. So in the front, this can be clip tight. So it's nice and comfortable all the way around. The top of the back, these are all nice and padded. Very, very comfortable. Just so from a walking standpoint, this is a nice option when moving from hole to hole. All these straps are adjustable to make it easy on the user. And on the back, it also has an option to be held by an actual grip. It's got a hard rubber. It's not hard, like not uncomfortable, but it's a nice solid grip on here. The inside also has 4 chambers for clubs, and the chambers are all the way down. So it's not just like a separator here at the top, and the clubs are all kind of like intermixed. And the bottom, all these are separate. So driver, putter, wedge, whatever it is, they can all be put in here nice and neat. This also can be held here at the top. So when setting it down, when these spring out, you can pick it up right here at the top. Very nice and convenient. There also is storage space here on the side. So whether you're holding balls, gloves, and anything that you might need from a golf standpoint, all that's here. So you have a full-size one here that goes all the way along the side. You have one on the end with these grips just to make it easy. Just to make it easy from the user. This is all the way down. And then on the other side here, unzip, and this is kind of shallow right in this area. You also have a full length zip up here. You have this golf club optional top. It goes all the way around, and then there are snaps that will lock in place. So when the clubs are in there, all this can be kind of sealed. So when walking around, the clubs are not going to just fall out, depending on the youth walking around, you know how things could get. Also from the weather and everything else, can keep the clubs dry. And because it has a zipper, this can be kept on and then unzipped, and then one by one clubs can be taken out and then zip back down. So if you're walking from, let's just say, the fairway to go putt, and you want to pull your putter out and then put it back in, this can be zipped back up, put over your shoulders if that's what the user prefers, and then walking around, there's no concern of the actual clubs falling out. And this side storage goes all the way down. So if you have something long that you want to put in there, maybe an umbrella, I don't know, it could be something long you want to put in there, there's plenty of extra storage space there to do that. It's made out of like a canvas style material, and it's very well crafted. Also, this side right here is a little bit extra soft. So if carrying this on the back, this soft spot is going to be against the back. So it's not going to be abrasive to the user when wearing it in that situation. Up close to the inside, this is all padded just to protect the clubs when they're being thrown in there. And this goes all the way around each one of these separators. The bottom also has a hard plastic and some grips just to kind of keep things in place. And because this is going to need to be durable, it's definitely constructed very, very well. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, can you give us an honest review of our youth golf club holder. Hopefully, all your questions got answered, and we'll talk to you soon.